Today we will make a cute little paper whale blowing water out of his blowhole. And now first, let's see what we will need to make this cute craft. I'm sure you will like this easy and fun paper whale craft. And to make this craft, first I will show you how to draw a whale easily. So let's start with drawing the whale. First, draw with a pencil, so that you can correct if you don't like the drawing. When you are done, trace it with a black pen and erase the pencil lines. I used oil pastels to color the whale. You may use cotton to blend the colors so that it will look smoother and natural. Now it's time to prepare the sea. Again, I used oil pastels to make the waves and blend the colors using cotton. Draw the water splash on a white paper, cut it out, and glue it on the wooden stick. Glue the whale from his head and tails, and do not glue the body, so that the wooden stick with the water splash can get through. Hope you enjoyed the paper whale craft. If you enjoy my craft videos, please support me by subscribing to my channel and hitting the like button. And do not leave just yet, because another video, easy to make fun to play with craft video, is on the way. Or you may continue watching one of those videos I chose for you. Please leave a comment below and do visit my channel again. Thanks for watching. Have fun!